Welcome to MIG Welding Tricks and Hacks from Raptor. Today we'll be talking about contact tips plated with silver, which last almost 9 times longer than copper. Silver is more conductive than copper. It reduces micro-arcing, it extends contact tip life, improves arc starts, and provides consistent weld quality. Silver is approximately 17% denser than copper. It has a higher melting point. Silver's shiny surface helps to reflect heat. As a result, spatter doesn't adhere to the tip as easily and it doesn't wear down quite as quickly. In fact, the lifespan of a silver-plated copper contact tip can be 9 times longer than the standard copper contact tip. When a contact tip begins to wear, the tip center hole elongates and loses electrical conductivity, which greatly affects the gun's ability to transfer current to the welding wire. With significant improvements in material, a silver-plated contact tip typically costs up to 50% more than the standard contact tip, typically chromium zirconium non-plated contact tip. Welders who choose to use a silver-plated contact tip usually do so for one reason: to greatly reduce welding downtime. Raptor offers MIG Endurance consumables which feature silver plating combined with special alloys. The contact tips are designed to enhance MIG welding operations. Significant manufacturing attention is paid to contact tips, because these consumable parts are most frequently replaced, and also influence the welding quality and speed to a great degree. An example of MIG Endurance unique innovation is contact tips, plated with pure silver to reduce splatter issues, and extend the life of parts by as much as 7 times. Raptor MIG Endurance offers a number of significant advantages. Higher welding current. Based on the lower electrical resistance of silver, a higher number of startups, because silver is a superior thermal conductor versus copper. Therefore the silver electrodes operate cooler than the bimetallic or standard copper electrodes, while also generating an improved force. The MIG Endurance contact tip offer more than 7 times the life of standard conventional contact tip, thus again improving the process, while maintaining a clean, focused and splatter-free weld puddle. Depending on thickness of material, this results in 15 to 25% higher welding speed, and longer contact tip life, while extending the life torch itself, due to lower generated heating effect. Thanks to the remarkable properties of silver, not only would the MIG Endurance consumables be suitable for large manufacturers, but would also benefit smaller to medium-sized businesses. Whether you are a hobbyist or a professional, you can expect a return on this investment. Our consumables stand to benefit both the hobbyists and professionals, as well as automated applications, such as robotic welding. MIG Endurance is commonly implemented in production and professional applications. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more welding tips and tricks. Products are below in the description. Stay tuned for more.